Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal mirror. So what you're going to need a pack of this bulk silver rhinestone embellishments, and this is a pack of brooches. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some silver glitter, and this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these framed mirrors. Doesn't matter what color the frame is, because you're going to be painting it with glue and then putting silver on it. You're also going to need some tacky glue from Dollar Tree, a foam paintbrush. Now this is optional. We may or may not use these. These are the Realistic Gemstones from Walmart. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam crystal mirror turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now you can definitely add more embellishment to your mirror or even less. It's entirely up to you. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.